In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or add text in Canva, a skill that's incredibly useful for creating everything from social media graphics to professional presentations. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, being able to efficiently add and edit text in Canva is essential. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Canva in your browser and either select an existing design or start a new one. With your design open and ready to go, focus your attention on the left-hand menu of your screen. This is your main toolset in Canva. Right here, you'll see an option labeled text. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to choose from a variety of text options, from simple headings to more complex text styles. It's a great place to start setting up your text elements in your design. Once you've clicked on text, you'll notice a few preset options like add a heading, add a subheading, and add a little bit of body text. These are quick start buttons that Canva provides to help you add different types of text with a single click. However, if you want more control over the text element, look for the option that says add a text box. Clicking on this will place a text box directly onto your design canvas, wherever your cursor is positioned. It's as easy as that. You can move it around, scale it, and it's entirely up to you how large you want it to be. Just drag the corners to adjust it to your liking. Now that you have your text box, it's time to add your content. Click directly into the text box. You can start typing anything you like. This could be a title, a quote, a call to action, whatever your design requires. While typing, pay attention to the additional options at the top of your screen. You'll see an array of tools to change font style, size, color, alignment, and even spacing. Canva gives you the flexibility to truly make the text your own, tailoring it to fit your design's aesthetic perfectly. Remember that you're not limited to just one text box. You can add multiple text boxes to layer different elements or information throughout your design, creating something dynamic and engaging. If you're looking to really polish your piece, you might also want to explore Canva's text effects, which include drop shadows, outlines, and more, all adding that professional touch to your project. And that's all there is to it. With just these simple steps, you now know how to effectively add and edit text within Canva. This technique can drastically enhance the quality and impact of your visual presentations, so take some time to explore the possibilities and have fun creating. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing with Canva.